Good day everyone, I'm Kirsha Balmes from section BSIA 3102. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you my first activity in Elective 1. So let's start. The first thing to do is to open your SolidWorks software. New document, click Part. So as you can see, this is our target figure that we are going to do. Change first the unit into IPS. So to start, click center line, click front plane, then draw a horizontal line. Another vertical line. Then, at this midpoint, draw a 3 circle. The dimension of this small circle is 46. The dimension of the second circle is 80. Then, the third one is 130. Click corner rectangle and put this. And then add relation. Click this point and this arc to make it coincident. Another one, add relation to this point and to this arc and coincident. And the dimension of this rectangle is 6. Using trim entities, trim the excess line. Click linear sketch pattern and then select circular. Click parameters and the midpoint and then make it 7 and then entities to pattern and click this side of rectangle. Again, trim the excess line. So at this part, draw a horizontal solid line, diagonal line, and then horizontal line. And then, the dimension of this point and this point is 78. And then, another one is 37. Next is add relation to this line and to this arc to make it tangent. And then click sketch fillet and select this line and make it 20. Another sketch fillet to this line and to this line also to make it 12. Then draw a horizontal line, and the dimension of this is 18. Another vertical line, from this point, draw a 3 circle. The dimension of this small circle is 16. The second one is 34. And the dimension of this circle is 52. from this point up to this point, the dimension is 43. And make it this circle into construction geometry, and this one also. And then draw a center line from here, and the dimension of this is 45 degrees. Next is draw a circle from this point, and the dimension is 8. Click linear sketch pattern and then select circular. Click parameters on this point, make it 4, and then enter this to pattern and select the circle. And then adjust the circle to make it coincident. Draw a 3-point arc here. Add dimension, and this will be 12. And then add relation to make it tangent. Also this arc and this line to make it tangent. And then add relation to this point and this point to make it coincident. From the upper part, make a 3-point arc. And the dimension of this arc is 180. Draw another 3-point arc here. And the dimension of this is 12. Add another 3-point arc here. And add relation to make it tangent. Also this one and this one to make it tangent. Another add relation from this point to this point to make it coincident. And also this one and this one to make it coincident. And the dimension of this will be 20. Add relation from this arc and this circle to make it tangent. Also this one, this arc and this circle to make it tangent. And then using trim entities, trim the excess line. Put a 3-point arc here. And the dimension of this arc is 10. Then, add relation from this circle and this arc to make it tangent. And also this one to make it tangent. Add relation from this point to this point to make it coincident. Also this one, put a 3-point arc. And the dimension of this is 5. And then put a solid line horizontal and then diagonal. Next is add relation from this arc and this circle to make it tangent. Another one from this line into this arc to make it tangent. Also add relation from this point to this point to make it coincident. Using sketch fillet, fillet this line and make it 14. And then add relation from these two lines to make it parallel. And then add a 3-point arc. And the dimension of this is 8. And then add the relation from this arc and this line to make it tangent. And then add relation from this point and this point to make it coincident. And the dimension of this is 20. And then add relation from this point and this point to make it horizontal. And then add another 3-point arc here. And the dimension of this is 5. Then add relation from this circle into this arc to make it tangent. And also this one to make it tangent. And last is add relation from this point to this point to make it coincident. So that's it. We are done in our figure. So as you can see, it's already fully defined. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned from this. Thank you.